Hey everybody, it's Jordan Yates. I am currently at the SPRINT Robotics World Conference in Houston, Texas, and I am at the Boston Dynamics booth. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, thank you, Jordan. Hi, everyone. My name is Chris McCasky. I'm the oil and gas sales manager at Boston Dynamics.
Guys, I don't know if you knew this before. You probably did, because as we were talking about, they have probably the best marketing out there, but Boston Dynamics is well integrated within the oil and gas industry, especially the inspection side. I think that it is just amazing because you guys know I'm obsessed with Spot. Could you tell us more about how you guys serve the oil and gas industry?
Sure. So our focus in general across heavy industry is industrial inspection for our Spot platform.
Okay.
That's no different for an asset intensive industry like oil and gas. So we have many of these robots patrolling oil and gas facilities today, collecting inspection data, both on an autonomous basis and a remotely controlled basis. So it's a very big industry for us.
That is so cool. If there was an oil and gas company thinking about, getting into this idea of the autonomous inspection, like what's something they usually like to know to ease their fears of getting into that?
Well, you'd have to be more specific on fears, but typically
robots taking over the world or like expensive probably.
So the fear of robotics that's typically invoked by Hollywood and movies like Terminator, that quickly goes away when you see what the robot can do as an industrial tool, especially in how it keeps people safe in hazardous environments. So if that perception exists, typically once you hand the joystick controller to that person, they immediately understand the value and what the robot can and can't do. But more importantly, when they see how it can keep people out of hazardous areas and still collect critical data, the light bulbs start to go on.
Absolutely. And luckily, it seems to be a product that could basically sell itself, but you guys are here at this conference because you're trying to be more integrated into the oil and gas community. How has that been going?
It's great. I think if I would rephrase your statement a little bit, it would be sharing more with the world what we've been doing in the oil and gas community. So many people know us from our viral YouTube videos and all the amazing athletic intelligence that we show off with dancing and parkour, etc. But this is an industrial tool, so we're communicating to the world what we're doing with our oil and gas partners and in heavy industry in general. So
absolutely. And one very important question, how fun is it to work with Spot every day?
It's a dream job. What else can I say? Who wouldn't want this job or to work at Boston Dynamics in general, right? So
absolutely. Is there anything else about Spot or your involvement in the industry that you'd like to share with everybody?
I think our partners in the industry, like Chevron, especially with our strategic partnership, we're really changing the way that operations run in terms of safety, efficiency, and overall environmental stewardship with what our robots can do. And we're helping the human workforce. That's the message that I'd like to get across, is that this robot's not designed to take people's jobs. It's just another tool to allow them to do their jobs more safely and more effectively.
You're so good at this. Oh my goodness. I feel like I didn't need to be in this video. You got it. But,
well, thank you. Thank you.
But thank you so much for telling us more about this, guys. Like getting to meet Spot for me was a dream come true, and just getting to watch them be so integrated in the oil and gas industry, an industry that I love. I'm here for it, and I appreciate you taking the time to let me sit down with you.
Absolutely. Thanks for your time.
Cool.